Hi everyone, we're going to take a look at the various settings for user accounts on Franklin Printing's online print store. Up here it'll normally show your name. I'm logged in as demo user, and if you highlight it'll show you a series of drop downs. So let's look at the relevant info here. Order history and status is where all the orders placed through the online store will live. It'll show the order number, the due date and time, if the order is approved, or if it's waiting for approval from the marketing department. If you ever need to place an exact reprint, you can find the old job here and click reorder. Now reorders are for exact reprints, folks, so no changes can be made to your reorder. If you need to change anything at all, then you need to place a new order. My profile is all the contact info associated with your account. If you ever need to change your address or your phone number, you can do that here by clicking Edit Profile. The address book may or may not be useful. If you frequently ship to addresses that are not the address associated with your user account, then you might find it helpful to load those addresses here for quick selection when you get to the shopping cart. Save Jobs is another important part of the site. The University of Southern Maine has a variety of templates where users can fill in their info and save them as they go. You should save early and save often, and if you ever need to leave a project midway, you can always come back to it in your Save Jobs and click Open Jobs. Lastly, up here is the Help Contact info. If you ever need to contact Franklin Printing about your order, you can find the phone numbers and emails here.